This is a 2005 Toyota Corolla CE. As you can see, it has seen better days. Paint peeling, clear coat peeling. A lot of this was actually from fireworks. A neighbor at my mother and father-in-law's house set off fireworks, and that's what caused all this damage on the hood. The bumper is a completely different color than the rest of the car, but clear coat peeling off of everything, just about, even the roof. Trim molding held on with tape. Only have one hubcap. Clear coat's almost completely gone off the hood. Interior rear deck is pretty messed up. Well, I guess I locked it. Interior though is extremely clean. And truthfully, the biggest selling point of the whole car, only 128,000 miles, so it's not even broke in yet. But yeah, this is gonna be another long-term project. I got it for nothing. They gave it to me, my wife and I, for free, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and maybe try to fix it up, make it a decent little daily driver. I've got a couple of kids. One's about to turn 16, and I got another one that's about to turn 18, so it might become their daily driver. But either way, more videos to come on this, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.